Whose fields are these?
Hari's. He lives in the nearby village.
Let's go to his place. Hari? Oh, Hari! We saw your fields while on our way. What happened?
What to say, brother? It has never happened to me before. Every year I get excellent yields. But I don't know this time how everything got destroyed.
Did you take care of your crops properly?
Yes, like I always do. I used the same pesticides as I did earlier. But still, the pests ruined everything.
Do you have the packets of those pesticides with you?
Yes, definitely.
Oh, then show it to me. You must be having a proper bill for them, right?
No.
Oh, now onwards, always ask for a proper bill for the purchase of pesticides. Understood? Did you carefully check whether these pesticides were fake or genuine?
What do you mean? Genuine or fake? Are there fake ones too?
Yes, Hari, fake pesticides. Nowadays, there are a variety of fakes available in the market that look exactly the same as the real ones, but are not, and they harm our fields and crops. Those fake pesticides don't have a proper mixture of chemicals and are also not registered with the government. Those pesticides are illegal, just like yours.
What? Illegal?
Yes, absolutely. Such pesticides fail to have any effect on the pests and the whole crop gets destroyed, stopping every way of income. Not just that, some amount of these illegal pesticides remains on the leaves even after cleaning them, which badly affects the environment. You understand? Such pesticides not only harm the crops and the income, they also bring a bad name to the farmers in the village. Therefore, when you see any criminal selling such illegal pesticides, report it to the police or the agricultural officer. It has become the government's priority to catch the criminals who sell such fake pesticides. Therefore, always buy pesticides after thoroughly checking and only from reputable and honest pesticide dealers. Understood?
Yes, I got this. But I can't understand one thing. How do you know all these things, Shyam Bhai?
There is an organization called Crop Life India, which with the help of the government spreads awareness among the farmers. From there, I learnt about the better techniques of farming and ways to identify and do away with illegal pesticides.
Well, what was meant to happen with me has happened. But can you please tell me all those things so that in future it doesn't happen again?
Yes, I will definitely share it with you. With the help and cooperation of the government, Crop Life India has launched a campaign, Know Your Supplier. Through this, it made the farmers aware on how pesticides should always be purchased from an authorized supplier and how one should never forget to take a genuine bill. Also, at the time of purchase, one should always confirm with the shopkeeper on whether the pesticides are legal or not. Not just that, they, along with the government, inform the agricultural officers about illegal pesticides and also encourage them to destroy those pesticides and help in catching the criminals who sell it. In cooperation with the government, Crop Life organizes timely meetings where every such information is given, which helps to stop the black marketing of these illegal pesticides and strengthen the country's economy. And along with that, the country's food security remains well maintained. So, you all must join this campaign and save your crops from illegal pesticides and make our country grow.
Hari Bhai! Hari Bhai!
Hey, what happened?
What to say, Hari? The way you are using the pesticides, I used it in the same way. Yet my whole crop got ruined and I don't understand how.
Come, I will tell you. From now onwards, whenever you purchase a pesticide, take care of these things. 1. For every purchase, ask for a proper bill. 2. Always buy pesticides from reputable and honest pesticide dealers only. 3. At the time of the purchase, pay attention on the packet seal. It should not be tampered. 4. You must note the date of manufacture and expiry on the packet. 5. Check the CIR number and the ingredients used for making the pesticide. 6. For more details, contact the number provided on the packet. Taking care of all these things, your crops will never get ruined. And you will get benefited.
You also can be a part of this campaign by the government and CropLife India and spread this message to other farmers as well. Make this country a happy and healthy place to live in.